Um, High level, the Colibri Group is a real estate continued education company. So if you guys need to do your Con Ed, this would be a really great way to start off the year with that. Plus, you get to hang out with Mark and I. And a little behind the curtain for you guys, one of the events we got to speak at last year in St. Louis, it was an event called Startup Week. And we were sharing with lots of general business about some of the concepts that Mark covers all the time, the core strategies framework, the need for building strong relationships, the use of systems, things like that. And one of the organizers there, actually, her name's Holly. She works for the Colibri Group. And she said, I understand that you guys took a real estate concept and you abstracted it to business. What I would love for you guys to do is replug in the real estate and share with our audience. So kind of a really cool opportunity. And like I said, a great opportunity, for us, because we get the opportunity to share in front of lots of folks. It's not a sales pitch kind of meeting, so you don't have to stress about that. But we're going to get to share all of our best stuff. And the invite is open to you guys. Plus, some benefits to that is you guys will get some Con Ed if you need it. But we're going to be diving into, what should agents be looking for in CRMs? What are some of the most needed automations that agents should think about and start building from day one? And then how to scale or grow your business using the different tools and using AI. So lots of stuff that you guys are really familiar with, because we like to share it openly with you.